I'm Nigel, and I've got no idea what I'm doing. Today, we're getting down under and fitting on some frame rails.
Frame rails are used to reduce body flex, which is a common issue in convertible cars. They bolt onto the bottom of the car's frame and help make the structure more rigid. Normally, this rigidity comes from the fact that the roof structure strengthens the body, but you know, no roof. The rails were well packed to protect the nice shiny stainless steel. Well, sort of. First up was folding the new soft top back and getting easy access to the inside. Then pulling the seats, something I'm getting pretty good at. And then getting the carpet out of the way. The underlay was in pretty bad shape, so that came out. Next up, with help from a surprisingly uninjured Jason, we put the frame rail into place.
Okay.
This was a bit tricky as it needed to slide under the brake and fuel lines.
Interesting.
Is that it?
I don't know, I think so.
Then we used the jack to press the rail up into place for the scary part.
First hole.
Some holes could be drilled through the rail underneath the car.
There's another one right where my index finger is. I can probably do it. Can I get the drilling straight though with the tractor? No. Okay.
But some needed to be drilled from the top. A quick clean up of the holes and a tidy of the floor. And we took off the rails to prep the holes with rubberized paint, which protects against rust and should help sealing the holes up against water leaking in. With that drying off, I paid some attention to the rust patches with a wire brush and some magic rust converter. Much better. Next, Isaac was volunteered to help with the final mounting of the rails, which required correct torquing of the fasteners. Some needed to be torqued from the bottom.
Oh yeah.
And some from the top. The rails are in. Nice. Isaac was happy to have done that job, but there was much more to do yet.
Where are you going? Where are you going? What? We haven't finished. Teenagers.
So, with Isaac doing some important sitting on the couch, I fitted the replacement carpet underlay, which I had cut earlier and totally forgotten to film. The underlay should make the carpets feel a bit more luxurious, and they don't absorb water, which should help with any water leakage problems or rain getting into the cabin. Then it was making sure the carpets were in tight and reattaching the trim.
then fitting the seats back in once again. I'm sure I could do this blindfolded by now. The last thing to do was peel off the plastic. Very satisfying. And very shiny. For now at least.
Alright, the frame rails are in, carpets are a little bit nicer. She's all done. Heaps of thanks to Isaac and Jason today. Could not have done it without either of them. But the big question, how does it feel? You're going to have to wait till next time. See ya.